Okay, we're good to go on the floor, guys. Standing by. Yeah, boy. Okay, going in 5, 4, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Hooray! Una one. Una two. Yeah.
Everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Train. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, I'm back again with Mzansi Celebrity Stories, and I'm sikhuluma ke ngo mama ke uMaNtuli from ke iSkim Sam. Igama lakhe ke langempela uDikets Mnisi. And guys, today ke kade birthday yakhe bakithi ke emsebenzini bamenzela ke surprise, and she was surprised ngempela ukuthi how ngibhizi ngithi I'm waiting for my sino ngi-ready for ukusebenza manje abantu sebeqhamuka sebethi happy birthday, and she was very shocked, guys, but it was so beautiful. But ke guys, awucheckisise leya video leyana, ayibonakho ungasayiboni phela ke i-upstairs lapha kaMaNtuli, kanti kwenzekalani? Yabona impela istory bafethu. Sengiyaqalaza ukuthi hawu kanti lapha e-upstairs iphela kuphi, iphi indlu, uphi umnyango, iphi enye room. But anyway, guys, yeah, she was turning 64 years of age. Ngizokhumbula ukuthi ke last year futhi ke uMaNtuli noma ke uMamnisi ke uke watrenda ngokuthi ke she got married at the age of 63. Beneminyaka e-63, guys, last year when she got married. She was once married to uChiwari owedlala ke kumuzi weinsizwa oyidle ndawo ke idlala ke ubaba ke uJabulani Nkosi wakwashada naye ke uMaNtuli, kodwa ke she's a newlywed, guys, usanda kushada last year nje ushadile eneminyaka ke e-63. So wena ungayitshela ukuthi yabo usumdala ke ngeke usashada, usazothola umendo ushade. Yabona age bafethu just a number. Wona ngathi mashada uMaNtuli ngathi yey yazini kusangenzeka noma yini. Anyway, guys, let's celebrate with her. Sithi ke happy birthday kuMaNtuli kayi-1, into engabhenywa, into engasiyona ke insango. Bye.